At Primary Dental, we're committed to providing you with the most advanced and precise dental care available. That's why we've incorporated cutting-edge digital technology into our practice. I'd like to introduce you to Overjet, your dental X-rays AI assistant. Imagine every time having the most highly skilled dental assistant analyzing your X-rays instantly, detecting potential issues with remarkable accuracy. That's the power of Overjet, our AI-powered dental diagnostic platform. Overjet utilizes advanced algorithms to analyze your dental X-rays, identifying potential concerns such as cavities, bone loss, gum disease with impressive precision. This technology empowers our team to provide a more accurate and comprehensive diagnosis, ensuring that no detail goes unnoticed. Overjet is amazing, but we didn't stop there. We also utilize 3D scanning, which are digital impressions of your smile. Say goodbye to uncomfortable and messy traditional dental impressions, while our 3D scanners creates a precise digital model of your teeth and gums. This provides a wealth of information for treatment planning. This technology enables us to design custom-made restorations such as crowns, bridges, and clear aligners with unparalleled accuracy and fit to then be printed or milled as you wait. By eliminating the need for traditional impressions, we enhance your comfort and reduce the risk of errors. Additionally, 3D scanning allows for early detection of dental issues, enabling us to address them proactively. This all benefits to our holistic approach. Our integration of Overjet and 3D scanning is just the beginning. Whether you require a single dental implant or a full smile makeover, our digital technologies empower us to deliver exceptional results. From precise diagnosis to custom-crafted restorations, we're committed to providing you with the highest quality dental care in a safe and ethical environment. Experience the future of dentistry today. Contact us to schedule a consultation and discover how our digital technologies can transform your smile.